This is a responsibilities chart, hangs on the wall, and it comes with 42 of the little flower magnets, and there are red and blue ones. And it comes with some little tasks. And I was just showing you a few of them. I've got a whole bunch of other ones in my hand to tell you about a little bit. And then you can add your own things to the list. There's the days of the week up top, and you get a pen, whiteboard marker, in order to write in a name or a task or any notes on the bottom. You can use this for a couple kids if you wanted to. Let's say you wanted red flower to be one child and the blue flower to be another child. You could differentiate by who's getting whatever done, or you can just use one name as I have here. And then you can put the little flowers in to show that the tasks have been complete. Just like this, you can put the little magnetic flowers to show that she did her homework on those days. And then you can offer a reward. You can make notes at the bottom in order to say what your reward might be. So it comes with do homework, help with indoor chores, take care of pet, and let's see the other ones. We have make bed, brush teeth, have a meal, put toys away, say please and thank you, take a bath, go to bed, and a little reward. All in all, there are 11 magnets of the size that you can put in the left-hand column. Last but not least, you receive 6 sheets of really cool unicorn stickers. They are fun and colorful. And just to be safe, to make sure everything's clean, you get an alcohol prep pad to clean the board before its first use. So let's say you wanted to offer your child a reward. 35 plus flowers gets a reward, and you could put it just like this. Pretty nice little set. It only does have one name though. However, like I said, you could manage it by one kid one color and another kid another color. The magnets stick all right. It's not super strong, but it's not just gonna fall off either. Thanks for listening and watching my video.